Hey everyone, Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and as you can see we have probably one of the biggest boxes we've ever had in the eTeknix studio. Generally that's always the case when we get gaming chairs in. Now gaming chairs are a bit of a love or hate kind of thing for a lot of people. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people love to hate them. What we've actually got here is Corsair's latest gaming chair. This is the T2 Road Warrior. So kind of building off their success from previous models, so the T1. What they've essentially done is made this extremely wide, extremely tall, extremely deep, basically to make it so that you can use it for all day comfort. As you know, gaming chairs can sometimes be a little bit stiff and not great for kind of prolonged usage. Corsair are actually hoping to battle that by making something that is so much more comfortable that essentially, as their description says, you'll be in it for the long haul. So they've actually sent us the black and blue version. So thank you very much to Corsair for kind of, thinking about that, because as you can see, they are the eTeknix colors. So I guess we should just jump straight into it and see what the T2 Road Warrior from Corsair is all about. But first, we've got to build it. Gaming chairs are a big market these days, with seemingly every brand pumping out dozens of designs per year. There are a lot of great ones out there, but sadly there are a lot of rubbish ones too. Thankfully, that's usually reflected with the price tag. Corsair have been on the sidelines for a while with their gaming chairs, but now their new T2 Road Warrior is here at last. As far as appealing to the gaming market, the product name alone sounds pretty badass. T2 Road Warrior. I'm not sure if it's Terminator 2 or something to do with Mad Max, but it just simply sounds cool. Let's not get distracted though. Fancy names or not, it's still a gaming chair with all of the usual bells and whistles that we've come to expect. With a wide seat design, it's sure to be accommodating and give you room to kick back and relax. There's a tall backrest, ensuring that you've got plenty of support for those long work hours and obviously longer gaming sessions. Of course, everything is thickly padded and pretty hard wearing too. This means you'll get plenty of support and the chair feels like it will last a good few years without any cause for concern. The two-tone colour match design looks fantastic. We've got a lovely blue and black, which looks nice for the eTeknix colours, but there are a few other options: yellow, red, white, or simply black, to help you match it up with your own tastes. With 85mm of height adjustment, 17 degrees of tilt, and a fantastic 170 degree of recline, you should easily be able to get a comfortable seating position. If you fancy a nap, kicking it right back and getting lazy shouldn't be an issue either. Just don't let your boss see. As you would expect from a premium chair, 4D armrests allow you to tweak the height, position and rotation, ensuring that your arms and elbows are right where you want them to be. In short, it's a premium gaming chair, and as any chair should do at a bare minimum, it gives you somewhere comfortable and supportive to sit. Under the very nicely finished PU leather, you'll find a solid steel skeleton, ensuring that it survives up to years of abuse with ease. Of course, the devil is in the details, and there are plenty of them to be found on the T2 Road Warrior. The honeycomb design and colour match stitching look fantastic and really help set the design apart. High quality stitching continues throughout, with all of the seams being very well put together. Plus that lovely racing stripe down the middle really adds to the overall aesthetics of the chair. Is it a bit extreme looking? Perhaps it is a bit of a loud design, but then again, it is a gaming chair. And if you want something a little bit more understated, I'm sure your local office supplier has something for you. But word of warning, it won't look anywhere near as cool. The price is a little steep on this gaming chair at £299 in the UK and $349 in the US, which puts it up against some of the big players on the market, such as Noble Chairs and of course Vertigear. However, price for price is pretty competitive and can easily compete in terms of features, and the fact that it comes from a trusted brand like Corsair, well, that's just simply a bonus. So boys and girls, hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you can sort of get an idea as to how easy this chair is to put together. relatively speaking, you know, it's pretty easy. But I mean, there's so many gaming chairs out there on the market. Most of them are getting better and a little bit more refined. And I guess that's kind of the main takeaway from the T2 Road Warrior. The fact that they've kind of, you know, learnt a little bit from their previous models and just improved on it. I still think there's just a few little gripes, mainly the tool to actually put it together isn't long enough. So when you come to do some of the side screws, it does kind of knock. So you have to take it off, turn it. It would have been better either if it had like a ratchet tool so you could just kind of, you know, turn it back, or if they just made it that little bit longer so that you didn't have to kind of keep taking it off. Other than that, the general installation of it was pretty good. The construction quality is absolutely fantastic. The stitching is really, really nice and just generally has a nice feel to it. There is one little gripe I have, and that's actually the padded cushions. While they do feel extremely comfortable, and I can see that, you know, they are of a nice quality, a kind of velour type, I just don't think they match in with the chair that well. Obviously you have the chair with its kind of PU leather, then you have this kind of velour. It just doesn't synchronize in my opinion. So if it was me, I'd probably take these off. And as you could see, you can actually remove this cushion and this cushion fairly easily. So yeah, overall though, pretty happy with it. No real kind of major gripes. Just a few things that they could maybe tweak. And then hopefully, you know, if we see like a T3 model come out maybe next year, it will have some of these fixes in there. But yeah, that's some feedback that we can give to Corsair. Overall though, really happy with it and love the colour. The fact that it's blue and black matches in with eTeknix, really, really nice. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe to get great video content like this directly to your inbox. Remember to give us a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye. Hi. Bye.